About this item: Canon XA40 Professional UHD 4K Camcorder, International Model, 8.29 MP, 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor, up to UHD 4K 30 video recording, mini HDMI output, integrated 20x optical zoom lens, dual XLR and mic/line audio input, dual SD relay and simultaneous recording, DIV, CDV6 processor, 3-inch touchscreen LCD, tiltable viewfinder. This professional camcorder features a genuine Canon 20x optical zoom lens that provides a highly versatile zoom range with a 35mm equivalent of 29.3 to 601mm to help capture newsworthy recordings near and far. Zoom speed can be set to either a variable or constant, with 16 levels, speed setting, with fast, normal or slow zoom speed levels. The XA40 Professional Camcorder represents Canon's 4K UHD system, delivering truly excellent image quality and reproduction for most any news gathering application. With its 20x optical zoom video lens, its 4K UHD CMOS Pro image sensor and the powerful DIV, CDV6 image processor working together to capture and process the images at hand, the XA40 is positioned to deliver HD video that is nothing short of stunning. The ZeeTech camera bundle accessory includes Canon XA40 compact AC power adapter, BP820 lithium-ion single battery pack, 1780 mAh, mic holder, with mounting screw, handle unit, lens hood, backpack, 0.43x wide angle, 2.2x telephoto lens, 58mm, 3 PCS filter and 4 PCS macro close-up kit, tripod, extra battery and charger, LED flashlight, microphone, 2-pack SanDisk 64GB memory card, card reader,